Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn 20 English sentences for daily use. So without wasting of time, let's begin. What do you know about her? तुम उसके बारे में क्या जानते हो? What do you know about her? I don't know anything. मैं कुछ नहीं जानता. I don't know anything. You should know. तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए. You should know. Excuse me. माफ़ कीजिएगा. Excuse me. We are always with you. हम हमेशा आपके साथ हैं. We are always with you. Never consider yourself alone. खुद को कभी तन्हा मत समझो. Never consider yourself alone. You can always come to meet me. आप हमेशा मुझसे मिलने आ सकते हैं. You can always come to meet me. Don't act like a child. बच्चों की तरह हरकत ना करें. Don't act like a child. Hard work pays off. मेहनत रंग लाती है. Hard work pays off. What is happening here? यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? What is happening here? You are so innocent. तुम बहुत मासूम हो. You are so innocent. It was nice to see you. आपको देखकर अच्छा लगा. It was nice to see you. Don't mess with me. मेरे साथ गड़बड़ मत करो. Don't mess with me. You are taking too long. आप बहुत ज़्यादा वक्त ले रहे हैं. You are taking too long. We may be able to get this secret. हो सकता है हम ये राज जान सकें. We may be able to get this secret. I am asking you. मैं तुमसे पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking you. Don't be in a hurry. जल्दी ना करो. Don't be in a hurry. He is not in good health. उसकी सेहत ख़राब है. He is not in good health. That's not good thing. ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. That's not good thing. It does not matter. इससे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. It does not matter. I am grateful to you. मैं आपका शुक्रगुज़ार हूँ. I am grateful to you. इसके साथ ही हमारी आज की वीडियो ख़त्म हुई. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़.